Finding a project key in Jira is essential for identifying and managing projects efficiently. Here's a step-by-step guide to locate the project key. Log into Jira. Ensure you have access to the Jira instance with permissions to view project details. Navigate to Projects. Click on the Projects tab in the top navigation bar. This will display a list of all projects you have access to. Select the project. From the list, find and click on the project whose key you want to identify. This will open the project's dashboard or main page. Locate the project key. On the project's main page, look at the URL in your browser's address bar. The URL often includes the project key as part of its path. For example, in a URL like the following, proj is the project key. Alternatively, go to Project Settings from the sidebar. The project key is typically displayed in the top right corner of the settings page or under the project details. Check Issue Details. Open an issue within the project. The issue key, which includes the project key, is visible in the issue's title or details.